Hello there, welcome to today's video. Please like and subscribe, we'll get right on to it. So right now you'll notice an area of winter weather advisories in effect for mainly portions of northwest Iowa, northeast Nebraska, one county in far southwestern Minnesota, and then portions of eastern South Dakota. Now this is for tonight as a mix of wet, heavy snow and a freezing drizzle is expected to occur. According to the National Weather Service, mainly expect right around 3 to 5 inches of snow accumulations, which will be wet and heavy, so a bit more difficult to remove. And to add on to that, probably some ice accumulations of up to a tenth of an inch or like glaze in spots. So that will just make travel more difficult. Not excessively difficult, but it will be slippery. And then associated with that same storm, you'll also notice an area of winter storm watches in effect, mainly for several counties in northern Arkansas. Again, only about 3 to 5 inches anticipated up in the higher elevations and 1 to 3 inches in the lower elevations, but just because they're in the southern U.S., they aren't used to snow, so that will just make travel a bit more difficult, so that's why they have a winter storm watch there. So, and then these winter weather advisories are for some freezing drizzle now, so that storm could actually travel to the northeast. We'll have to see, but here's the GFS model, the new updated 18Z run. So here's right now, there's a storm developing, not too much going on right now, just a few snow showers, but probably a dusting of snow already in spots. And then here's about 6 a.m. tomorrow. You'll notice an area of sleet, freezing rain and snow in the pink there. And then snow probably moderate times in the blue. And then again green is rain. Then that starts to move slowly to the southeast, and that's where you have that winter storm watch, because that snow could become briefly heavy at times, potentially up to 1 inch per hour snowfall rates if this storm can access the right amount of moisture and can intensify right to the right level. And then this would be Thursday afternoon, so now the snow would spread to portions of North Carolina and Kentucky, a bit of Indiana. Not much going on, probably around an inch at most, but then there will be rain, maybe a bit of mix right here. And then some snow showers up here. Then again, that potential does move into North Carolina, Virginia. That will need to be monitored for some potential severe development. And then again, some of that rain could actually get heavy, so maybe a bit of a flooding potential. And then tomorrow there is actually a marginal risk, if I'm correct. I'll have to check on it. I'll correct myself with the description if I'm incorrect, but then that storm moves off to the sea. That this is where our second storm concern starts to move up. I will make a different video on that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.